So this is what we have to we had seen the last session. Okay, extract all the data from the given string and slicing, and we will discuss some scenarios. Today we are going to see the so the how the strings will work. Okay, suppose you ask me how the you can ask me whether the string is reversible. Definitely, it will be reversible. Why? Because string we have so many methods, and without using the methods, and then we will be uh, use some coding logics, we will be reverse. So this is a one important thing. A string is a immutable. You know, right? We will discuss with that one also the immutable and mutable also. So immutable in the sense of we can't modify it directly. Okay, that's why they didn't give you the string method in the string API. So we are going to talk about all these things. Don't worry. Uh, so of course, there are so many ways of slicing. So we will see the scenario like three. So we are handle the strings in the day to day. So where we need that we will be discuss. This gives you data handling. Even this is the data. Would you handle a lot of data every day? Because we may be we don't data engineering, but we are not doing a data engineering even though, but still we play with the data every day because our main requirement is handling management, data handling management, databases, all environments. So you got it right. So we will use mainly data engineering, but we are not doing the learning the data engineering course. But of course, we know we have to know
We
that one.
want to. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So lower layer and sort archive database everything. So that is the why I'm giving you this a simple real-time use case. It might be help you to get a deeper insight. So our main requirement is handling the databases actually. So you know right. We will see like what is the immutable and mutable. Maybe you know. So there is the object again. So you have learned all this. So when you are a developer, what is a mutable and what is a immutable? So everything in the Python fall into the object that we know,
Yeah.
right? So suppose like I have take a object. Okay, this is here one is mutable, another one is
Mutable.
immutable. Okay, this is the two things. So again, everything is the object in the Python. There is a two things. One is a mutable. One thing is mutable and immutable.
Mutable.
So mutable in the sense of what is a mutable? So we are able to modify.
Modify the data.
Hmm. Modify. So what about the immutable? We can't modify. Okay, we can't modify the data. So here I ask you one question. Strings are mutable or immutable?
Strings are immutable, sir.
Okay,
Immutable, sir.
immutable, right?
Hmm.
So, so we will see the deeper level. We will get some understanding how it will works.
Yes.
So this is something very important. Suppose I have taken and better to take some example, then we will see. Mm. As I recorded, 1 second. It's so here. Last session I have missed a recording. That's why I'm asking. No problem. Okay. Suppose I have taken.
First time.
Suppose I have to take a S1. Okay. So S1 is equal to ABC. Okay. So this is the object. Okay. This is the object. I have to assign the variable name S1.
Hmm.
Then coming to so print. No need to print. Then again take S1. Okay. I'll try to print this one. Print of S1. So what it will get exactly? You will get ABC. Suppose enter, I have take a S1 and then give the value as a BBC. So what you will get now output, then it will get a BBC, right? Okay. For this scenario, we decide that we go with a deeper level. So here my question is, we are create a object or we are create a replace the new object. We are creating a object or we are creating a new object or we are replacing the object. That is my question.
Replacing the object, sir.
Replacing the object. Okay. So that we will see. We see this scenario, we get it like a replacing the object, right?
Yes, sir.
So then, but now we will see some example here. Here only. Here I have to take a print first value. First value. So this is the first value. Then I give here okay, give the space. Okay, this is what space, and here I have to take print. This is second value. Okay, this is the first value. This is the second value. Okay. Then here, what I have to take it exactly. I'm trying to find the uh, address of this one and the type of this one. So here print. So type is a method, right? So we are going to find what type of data is it. Okay. This is what same thing I have to copy it here and then paste it here. So this is a type 1. This is a type. Okay. Both I have to give here. Then I try to run this one. Then you can check it here. So ABC is the first object. This is the object we have assigned to S1. Then so that one type is string. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
The
Type is
first one,
string.
ABC. Then I have to take it as a second value as assign the second object to the same variable. Okay, this is the object ABC. This is the object. This is a second object assigned to the same variable. Then I try to type that one also string only. The value I have to print it here.
Printer.
So coming here, what I have to find, meanwhile I have to, and also I have to find the print ID. So ID of S1. Okay. What is ID means? The sense of address, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I have tried to run this address. Then now you can check it here. So this is the string. The ABC is the string and BBC also the string. But
String.
coming to here, ID. So you can check it here. 528. This is
7976.
976. So both IDs are difference.
Different.
Okay. So then you tell me, is this mutable or immutable?
Immutable.
Why? Because
Immutable.
uh, so for this one, it is not same. This is a difference. So we will analyze with more details through some of the take a notepad and then do we have to analyze that one. Then we will get into more details. So this is a workspace. So what I have to do here, suppose I have to take a text. So here I have to take text S1. S1 equal to ABC. ABC is nothing but a string which is assigned to the here. Then I have take so when we create like this, what happened internally memory that we will see it here. So deeper level analysis now we are doing here. So I have take a like a okay. This is the object. This is ABC. Will be stored like ABC here. And this one have so it have address I have to give 100 for this one. Okay, obviously it have address. So this is the object one. Then coming here, I have take it here. This is object. This is the object. Okay. Then what we do? We will think this is when we create like this, it will go and internally create the object, okay, fresh object, and then assign the value of value ABC. Then obviously it having the ID address. But this ID will be point out. Here I have give take S1. Okay. Then this is the connection. Okay. Then here this address will be This is the address. What happened? This address, reference of the address will be stored in the pointing to the variable, reference variable S1. Okay. Then the same thing, I have to take another object, that is S1, same object, same variable, and then give the value like a BBC. Right. As we think that it will be arrays, right? It will be arrays, and this BBC will be stored here. This BBs will be stored here. That is what
Yes.
everyone have think like this. Okay. So actually this is a wrong. Okay. What it will do exactly when it will be create like this. So when it will create like this, sorry, this. So this is what the then here it will be store BBC. It will create a new object. This is what object. This is BBC will be allocated here. But what happened here? This is obviously it having the its own address.
Yes.
So this is address what I have to specify here 200. Okay, 200 I have to specify. So what happened when we create the object, okay, to S1 variable, same variable, and again I have to create the another variable, another object I have to assign the same variable. What happened? Each and this time it will be create the new object and assign the value. Then again when you have to create S1, assign the another object to the S1. Again what happened? It will go and create the new object and then place it here. But what happened this one? This will be dropped. So this will be dropped here. This link will be dropped. This will go to the garbage collector. And then what happened here? And then this address of the variable will pointing to the S1. This is what happened here. So obviously what happened here, each and every time we have assigned the object to the same variable. So it will be created the objects, but not replacing the object here. Okay. This scenario will shows exactly strings are immutable. Okay, got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the deeper level of we'll go introspect with the deeper level, then we will get this thing. So is there any doubt in this here?
Yes, sir.
So it won't be modifying the existing one object. Each time it will be create the new object.
ABC will overtake the BBC.
BBC. So BBC again it have their own ID. So this is the what we call the address copy to the reference variable. This address only copy to the reference variable.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So then we move to the next topic.